can you tell us who you're working for and what do you guys do?
I'm the owner of Thomas Precision Welding in northern Nevada. We do a plethora of different things, everything from ornamental iron handrails to staircases, structural steel, process piping, kind of you name it, we can kind of do it.
Good. And what are the challenges you're seeing in your shop right now?
Employee mistakes, bad welds, missing welds. So I think something like this could really help in our shop to really try to automate some of that stuff, and then let them do what they do good, is do field installations. So
Good. And you tried the system yourself. What really impressed you and what did you like the most?
I'd say it's pretty intuitive, it's pretty user friendly, and quick to set up. There's no programming or anything. It's click and weld pretty much.
And what feature did you look into those patterning feature and everything? Which one do you see would be most useful for you?
Definitely the patterning, because if we had, say, a handrail or something on there, being able to have that repeatability of program it once and just show it where the start points are, then it can repeat it, even if it's something that's custom. So
Excellent. Thank you so much for sharing.
thank you.